Hi, I'm Roxana. Welcome to our backyard. I'm sitting directly on the ground in early May, and I'm going to run you through a quick grounding exercise. Grounding is one of the best techniques I've experienced to keep calm, cool, and collected, regardless of what's going on around me. So I encourage you, I invite you to sit on the floor, to sit on the ground, to sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor, and to close your eyes. Close your eyes and breathe. Breathe deeply, calmly. Breathe in and pause and breathe out. 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 Feeling yourself releasing any heaviness, any of the day's challenges, any of the stress that you're carrying in your shoulders, your neck, your core, your abdomen, your chest, your heart, letting all the worry, all the stress, all the anxiety go. Start feeling it moving down and out your body, down and out. Every exhale lets all the heavy emotions go. Every inhale fills you up with love and light, compassion and understanding. Breathing in, pausing, letting go. Breathing in, pausing, and letting go. Breathing in, pausing, and letting go. Breathing in, pausing, and letting go. Feel yourself becoming lighter. Feel yourself being grounded and yet lighter. It may be a new feeling for you. It may be a new exploration of how to feel like you're in your body in this moment. One of the first mantras I created was, I am balanced, I am centered, I am grounded, I am me. I am balanced, I am centered, I am grounded, I am me. I am balanced, I am centered, I am grounded, I am me. I am balanced, I am centered, I am grounded, I am me. Feeling true to yourself, true to your life purpose, true to this moment. Breathing calmly, quietly, gently. So in this moment, please feel free to continue breathing deeply, calmly, and feeling yourself in your body in this moment with peace and calm in your heart, in your being. And if you need to get back to an activity of life, please wiggle fingers and toes, wiggle your shoulders, stretch your arms above your head, and stretch, 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 and release. Stretch, 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 and release. Stretch, 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 and release. One more stretch, and release, and let it go. And take this grounded feeling into your day, into your life, and into every moment.